Hello, welcome back with us. So it's the 23rd of our 30-day wave journey, and today we are going to be doing our morning routine. So I will be using the Dax product today. That's this.
Wait a minute!
Oh my god! Wow!
Just try to apply and make it go round. Then you get in your brushing session.
A few moments later.
Okay, now so we're done with our brushing session. We want to lay it down with our Ziploc bag. And then you rag up. So for your morning routine, if you need to go to work or school, you can just rag up and leave it for about 10 minutes just to lay your waves down, and then you take it off, because previously you can't take your durag to work, or some schools who don't allow you taking durag in there. So you can just tie your durag for and leave it for about 10 minutes. Then when your wave is a bit laid down, you take it off and you are good to go. So thank you. Now, tomorrow we'll be doing day 24, and when our hair grows out a little bit more, we'll do another ocean style. So